Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 12 ways to get wealth without hard work in 2025. We're talking passive income streams, savvy investments, and clever online hustles that practically print money while you sleep. So buckle up, grab your snacks, and get ready to take notes because we're about to unlock the secrets to financial freedom. Let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with everyone's favorite, passive income. It's the dream, right? Making money while you sleep or relax. Imagine waking up every morning with money rolling in, no more stressing about bills or expenses. One of the coolest ways to achieve this is through rental properties. It's like having a mini business that runs itself. You buy a property, rent it out, and boom, you've got a steady stream of cash flow every single month. It's a fantastic way to build wealth over time. And hey, if real estate isn't your thing, no worries. There are plenty of other options out there. You can dip your toes into the stock market and let those dividends work their magic. It's all about finding what works best for you. Next up, we're diving into the wild world of cryptocurrencies. Crypto can be a roller coaster ride, but with big risks come big rewards. Think of it like this. Crypto is like a supercar. It can take you to incredible places, but you need to know how to handle it first. So educate yourself, start small, and who knows, you might just become the next crypto millionaire. Ever wished you could sell stuff online without dealing with inventory, shipping, or any of that hassle? Well, guess what? You totally can with drop shipping. You find a product you want to sell, list it on your website, and when someone places an order, your supplier ships it directly to the customer. It's the perfect side hustle for anyone looking to make some extra cash. Okay, this next one is for all my social butterflies out there. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting other people's products and earning a commission on every sale you make. Think about it. You're already recommending products to your friends and family, right? So why not get paid for it? The key is to find products you genuinely believe in and that resonate with your audience. Plus, you can do it all online from the comfort of your couch. Are you a whiz at something? Like seriously good at it? Well, guess what? You can turn your knowledge and skills into a profitable online course. People are always looking to learn new things online, whether it's photography, coding, cooking, or even how to train their pet hamster. It's a great way to share your passion with the world, establish yourself as an expert, and of course make some serious cash. One-time effort, lifetime profit. You can use AI tools to help create ebooks, templates, online courses, or even stock photos. Upload to platforms like Gumroad, Udemy, Etsy, or Teachable, and let SEO and affiliate marketing drive traffic and sales while you relax. Calling all creative geniuses. Are you ready to turn your passion into profit? Did you know you can earn passive income from your artistic talents? It's true. Whether you're a writer, musician, photographer, or filmmaker, your creativity can pay off. There are ways to monetize your creative works and rake in those sweet, sweet royalties. Imagine getting paid while you sleep. Let's say you write a book. Every time someone buys a copy, you get a cut of their profits. It's like having a money tree. And it's not just books. You can earn royalties from music streaming, stock photos, videos, and even designs. The possibilities are endless. For example, if you've created a useful spreadsheet template, software snippet, or even a clever logo, platforms like Gumroad, GitHub sponsors, and Creative Market allow you to license or sell them. You create once and collect royalties indefinitely. Turn your creativity into a passive income stream. Start today and watch your earnings grow. Your art deserves to be rewarded. Embrace the royalty revolution. Now let's talk about putting your money to work in the stock market, but with a futuristic twist. Automated trading is like having your own personal robot trader that buys and sells stocks on your behalf. Imagine a world where you can sit back and relax while a sophisticated algorithm does all the hard work for you. You set up your trading rules, deciding when to buy and sell based on your strategy. And the robot does all the heavy lifting, analyzing market trends, identifying profitable trades, and executing orders. It's like having a financial expert working for you around the clock. It's essential to choose a reputable automated trading platform, one that has positive reviews and a proven track record, and understand the risks involved, as the stock market can be unpredictable and volatile. But if done correctly, it could be your golden ticket to financial success and freedom. Ever wished you could be the bank and earn interest on loans? Well, now you can with peer-to-peer or P2P lending. You lend money to borrowers through a P2P platform and they pay you back with interest. It's like being a mini bank, but without all the paperwork and regulations. It's a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and potentially earn higher returns than traditional savings accounts. All right, let's talk about the beauty of digital products. These are products that exist purely in the digital realm, which means no inventory, no shipping, and no limits to how many times you can sell them. We're talking about ebooks, online courses, software, templates, stock photos, music, and so much more. Once you create a digital product, you can sell it over and over again without having to reinvent the wheel. Ever dreamed of owning a piece of a skyscraper or a luxury resort? With real estate crowdfunding, you can become a real estate mogul without breaking the bank. You pool your money with other investors to fund real estate projects, and in return you get a share of the profits. It's a smart way to diversify your portfolio and potentially earn passive income from real estate. High-yield savings accounts are like regular savings accounts, but they pay you a higher interest rate. It's not going to make you rich overnight, but it's a great way to make your money work a little harder for you. And the best part, it's completely passive. You just deposit your money and the interest rolls in automatically. Last but not least, we're talking about the ultimate lazy person's way to get rich licensing your ideas. Do you have a brilliant invention, a catchy slogan, or a unique design that you think could be a hit? License it to a company that will pay you royalties for the right to use your intellectual property. Turn your creative spark into a lucrative income stream by licensing your ideas. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, building wealth doesn't always have to be about grinding 24/7. There are countless ways to make money, but knowing the right ones makes all the difference. Subscribe now for exclusive insights and one-on-one mentorship designed to guide you toward greater success, even if you're feeling a little lazy. See you in our next video.